Okay, let's move on then to another NDTV exclusive with the FM's Chief Economic Advisor Raghuram Rajan, who spoke to us today about why it is critical that India reduce regulatory hurdles and not get entangled in bureaucracy, which he feels is the key stymieing factor as far as growth is concerned. Listen.
Less sort of studied area is regulation. We still have too many regulations for the small guys.
Too much red tape, too many clearances.
Too much red tape, too many clearances. The small entities are the least able to manage that, and therefore they get stuck. Plus, we often have lots of incentives for them to stay small,
right.
And therefore they don't grow out. We don't let them die. I mean, there are too many entities clogging or occupying resources,
right,
who aren't allowed to close down. For small firms, birth and death is a constant factor in other countries.
Right.
Many of them are born but die quickly. The ones who survive grow spectacularly.
Right.
We don't have too many of those. Those are the job creators, the spectacular growers. We don't have those.
So that's the problem, that you don't allow for bankruptcy to just say that it didn't work out. Inevitably, it ends up in court or through some prolonged process of litigation.
Sickness is a long, prolonged status in India.
Okay, so very quickly, to fix some of those things you spoke about, infrastructure, power, roads, all of that.
That's in the process. We know what the problem is. We need to move faster. We know all the impediments to moving faster, trying to fix them. That's clear. Regulation is less clear, because the regulation is divided among states and center. There are attempts to bring the regulations together. Even that is not a perfectly easy process, because some ministries don't want to let go of the regulations they control. But even just the process of application, bringing it all together, is not as easy as you would think.
But is that something you can pilot here in the finance ministry? You can say, look, let's just sit and simplify. Instead of 36 clearances, let's bring it down to 5.
Well,
isn't that possible?
It has to be a process of working together with other ministries. But it is something that is doable, but it also needs the states on board, because a number of regulations are from states. But this is something worth doing, because if we can make the regulatory front much easier to tackle, make it less of an Inspector Raj,
right.
Make it more an enabling regulatory structure. Doesn't mean get rid of all regulations, but make the regulations that you have in place necessary and workable.
Right, and also implementable.
Implementable, but actually that do what they're supposed to do. There's no point having 20 regulations that are all flouted, and you only increase the cost of doing business.